Hello. Really pray my people are having an amazing, blessed. Almost said Monday morning again. I love Mondays. Mondays is my favorite day of the week, but it is a lovely Wednesday morning. It is currently 20 minutes to 12 p.m. here in South Africa. And first things first, I want to show you the model I'm using for the year of 2025. So this is a review video of my previous execution, and I'll show you how I got to that execution, why I pressed long the moment I did, and we will work our way from there. So first things first, we mark the three previous highs and the three previous lows and the three previous highs right there. One, and then we have that baby there. Okay. And we dive in straight to a 1 minute chart, and from a 1 minute chart obviously we want the dealing range high to the dealing range low. There we go, right there we go. So where do steady setups form? I told you guys yesterday they form 25%, 50% and 75%. When I got into the financial market, which was 40 minutes past 4 o'clock, I know I told you guys I was going to be at 4:30. I was 10 minutes late again. But anyways, so meaning potential areas for longs or shorts right there at 45%, at 75, apologies, at 50 and at 4. So as soon as o'clock opens and begins consolidation, I'm looking for places to go long. The best place for me to go long first is this previous hour's low, once, or if it even swept that, which it didn't, which shows signs of strength. So the fact that it didn't do this within the first 30 minutes, where it took out the low and traded into 50% of that current dealing range, that's signs of light prices. So now what do we have? We consolidate and we begin our first measure of displacement. If you go on a 5 minute chart, there's an inefficiency here, right there. If you go on a 5 minute chart, there's a small inefficiency. There's no inefficiency. Oh, apologies. It looked like there was. Let me see on a 3 minute. Oh, so we do have an inefficiency on a 3 minute. On a 3 minute, you can have a look at this inefficiency right there, which is not what I was looking at. I was just looking at it relative to time. You can time these things, but that's the inefficiency right there. On a minute chart, you can see it clear as daylight from this baby there all the way to that baby there. You can have a look at that. But now we want time. Time is more important than price for me personally. So anyways, we touch into it at exactly what? 04:48. And I thought I caught the low for the retracement. I swear to God, I really thought I did. I genuinely thought I did. I genuinely thought I did, which I didn't. I was looking at this 3 o'clock right there. As soon as we touch that, because it's a 3 minute interval, 04, 03, but it's not the function of a swing low. It's a different function. I'll teach you with time, be patient. But when we touched there, that was my long. Beautiful. We traded lower than I expected. I wasn't watching this inefficiency, it's okay. But we traded deeper into that, and then as soon as we traded back into the range, everything was just classic. But where is my setup forming? At 75%. And we're looking for higher prices. What do we have here? Remove all drawings. What do we have here? These two here. See that? Relative equal highs. But this one, the lows there were swept. Once the lows here were swept. Yeah. See that? So that's the turtle soup, and then displacement back just above that swing high. We have fair value here, relative equal highs heading into o'clock. Come on. And bam, we have spooled. Beautiful execution. Insane. Very nice. Very nice. Right there, that's what I was looking at. And I was looking for a 20 handle scalp, would have gotten out 20 handles, beautiful. If I had a 20 handle stop, I wouldn't have to worry about anything. And if I held for the whole remainder of the session or for the whole review video, this is a beautiful 55 handle execution. But when you study time, first of all, you're going to get more confident because you're not putting your faith in this. You're putting your faith in this here. See this? Time. That's all you're putting your faith in. And you have all these, the times never change. It's only 20 of them. They never change. The hour changes. the delivery schedule changes, the price action changes, the delivery profile at that given moment changes. But what never changes the time at which it spools and rapid reprices. And that's what I'm known for. That's my name, Mr. Rapid Repricing. And I always enter, I try my best to, not God, but I try my best to always enter when the market will begin spooling in my favor. So anyways, I really pray you guys have an amazing, blessed day. And we will be again here tomorrow, same time, same place. And don't be afraid to ask questions. Shoot me a DM. Don't comment on my Twitter. On my YouTube. I don't need you to comment on my trading journal. That I don't need your opinion. I'm sorry, but I don't need your opinion on what it takes to be an efficient and good trader. Just watch my progress, watch my development as I execute and as I begin to showcase my skill more and more as time begins to present itself. But thank you so much for blessing me with your time, and I'll see you again, same time, same place.